Hey guys, my name's Chris. I'm just going to show you a couple things here. Taking these brakes apart. So that's the back side. First I took the caliper bolts off. They were like right here. Took that off. Took these two bolts out. Popped this off. My old one, I used you have to go buy a bolt, and then you can stick it like right in there, and then that's how you get the old rotor off. Put the new one on. But I'm going to tell you, here's my tip. Put this side on before you put the caliper back on, because it's incredibly difficult. Like, I was trying to do it without I was trying to put them on after I put this piece on, then I tried to put that piece on. So I would recommend putting this piece on, then put this unit on, because this will sit like that, so you'll be able to put the other pad on really easy. But I mean, I was having a terrible time. So anyways guys, that's my tip. Have fun.